monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas that often strikes its victims who are not prepared or who are asleep. Carbon monoxide kills approximately 170 people per year in the United States. However, there is a way that you can protect your family. 1. A carbon monoxide alarm. Plug-in carbon monoxide alarms are one of the best tools to protect your family. Carbon monoxide gas does not rise, so a simple plug-in in the wall can help protect your family. Number 2, have your heating system, your water system, or any appliance that runs on natural gas serviced annually by a licensed professional. Finally, do not use coal grills or portable generators on the inside of your home. These 3 things can help you keep your family safe from carbon monoxide poisoning. I'm Pamela White, and this has been your Kingdom Property Moment.